Hello and welcome to the HRW Forum. One of the easiest performance upgrades for many slack cars is swapping out the stock tires for aftermarket tires. While swapping out the actual tires is usually pretty straightforward, determining which tire fits a given car or wheel can be a struggle. Home Racing World has a couple of helpful tools to make finding tires easier. In this video, I'll show you how to use one of those tools called the Slicks Tire Selector, which is designed to help you find quick slick silicone tires for your car or aftermarket wheel. Let's get started. To access the Slicks Tire Selector, go to the main page of the HRW Forum at www.hrwforum.com. On the right-hand side of the window, you'll see a box entitled Tire Selection Tools. Click anywhere on the picture and you'll be redirected to a page where the tire selection tools can be found. You may have to scroll down just a bit to see the Slicks logo, which is actually a link to the Slicks Tire Selector. Click anywhere on the link and the Slicks Tire Selector will appear. Using the Slicks Tire Selector is easy. Notice the small rectangular box entitled Brand with a small downward pointing arrow. For this example, I want to find a Slicks tire that fits a Carrera Classic NASCAR. So I'll start by clicking on the small downward arrow. And again, for a Carrera, I'll select Carrera as my brand. And notice that it'll turn blue when you put your mouse pointer over it and it's selected. Click once on your mouse pointer, and now a second rectangular box will appear entitled Model. Once again, click on the downward arrow. A list of all of the Carrera models where Slicks are available will appear. Again, our example, we want the Classic NASCAR. Again, it turns blue when it's highlighted. I'll click once in Classic NASCAR. And now a third rectangular box entitled Part Number will appear. When I click the down arrow for this, I see that there's a single Slicks, in this case the CA06, that is available for the Carrera Classic NASCAR. And note that there's also some basic tire dimension information, including the outer diameter when the tire is mounted on the actual wheel, and the tire width. Now let's try another example. This time we'll use the Slicks Tire Selector to find tires that fit CB Design 17 by 10 millimeter wheels. So instead of using the selector to find a tire for an actual car, in this case we're going to use the selector to find a tire for an aftermarket wheel. So again, a CB Design 17 by 10 millimeter wheel. The first thing we'll do is reset the tire selector by clicking on the red circle just to the right of Carrera. Once again, the rectangle labeled Brand reappears. We'll select CB Design, and then we'll select 17 by 10 millimeters. We'll then select the part number to see the available Slicks tires. Now notice in this example that we actually have three different tires, the CB57, the CB58, and the CB59. All of these Slicks are designed to fit the CB Design 17 by 10 millimeter wheel. The tire that you would select will depend on your application and your desired or your target outer diameter for the tire. One final note, while Slicks are available for a wide variety of cars and aftermarket wheels, there will be cars and wheels that a Slicks tire is not currently available for. If you don't see an entry in the Slicks Tire Selector, this might be the case. You can always reach out to the folks at Slicks to confirm. We hope this tutorial has been helpful. Thank you.